Hello, and a very warm welcome to you. If you're planning a trip to London, you've made an absolutely brilliant choice. This city is a magnificent, sprawling tapestry of history, culture, and unparalleled shopping and dining experiences. It's a place where ancient Roman walls stand watch over shimmering glass skyscrapers, echoes of history harmonize with the vibrant pulse of modern life. London doesn't just invite you to visit, it beckons you to get lost in its enchanting streets, discover hidden courtyards, and immerse yourself in the sheer energy that radiates from every corner. From the grand department stores of the West End to the quirky independent stalls of world-famous markets. This guide is your trusted companion, a map to the very best London has to offer. We're not just scratching the surface, we're diving deep into 10 essential destinations that define the city's retail and culinary soul. For each spot, I'll give you what makes it special, a handy map pin for your phone, and 2 top-tier tips to maximize your visit. Get your most comfortable walking shoes ready and prepare your appetite for adventure. London is waiting for you. Our first destination is the undisputed epicenter of London's shopping universe, the legendary Oxford Street. Stretching for over a mile, this bustling thoroughfare is a dazzling artery of commerce, lined with flagship stores from the world's most famous high street brands. Zara, H&M, and Selfridges, a grand palace anchoring the West End. There's something for every taste and budget. For navigation, drop a pin at Oxford Circus Station, the perfect launch point in either direction. Step out and you're in the thick of it. Buy quintessential British high street fashion and exclusive collections. Marks & Spencer, John Lewis, and more. Timing tip: go early on a weekday. By 10 a.m., browse before the crowds descend. Just steps away, elegant Regent Street offers a more refined experience. Premium brands and beautiful architecture, plus Hamleys for toy lovers. Veer into Carnaby's pedestrian lanes for quirky boutiques and unique concept stores. The edgy counterpoint to Regent's grandeur. Use Piccadilly Circus as your map pin to start south and stroll north to peel into Carnaby. Best atmosphere. Late afternoon into evening, when displays glow and the streets feel magical. Food pick: duck into a Soho pub for classic fish and chips with a refreshing pint of ale. Oxford for breadth, Regent for polish, Carnaby for cool. 3 distinct vibes in one compact loop. This is London's retail heartbeat, pulsing from morning buzz to evening glow. Next, we venture into Covent Garden. Shopping, history, entertainment, woven into one unforgettable experience. The Market Building and elegant arcades set the stage for high-end boutiques and the Apple Market's artisan stalls. Street performers turn the cobbles into their stage. Covent Garden is a spectacle. Map pin: Covent Garden Station, but it gets busy. Alternative: Leicester Square, a short, pleasant walk away. Buy handmade gifts, intricate jewelry to beautiful watercolors. Perfect for meaningful souvenirs. Timing: visit on a weekday. Weekends can be crushed. Hidden gem: 7 dials, 7 streets from a central pillar lined with indie boutiques, heritage brands, and cozy cafes. Treasure: Neal's Yard, bohemian energy, health food cafes, organic skincare shops, including Neal's Yard Remedies. Mission: find the Neal's Yard Remedies flagship and pick up their iconic blue bottle beauty. Photogenic when the sun hits, colors explode. Food pick: grab a fresh juice or a vegetarian meal, a wholesome antidote to a packed day. This pocket of the West End balances calm with creativity, moments you'll remember. Stay for dusk. The lanes glow, the performers shine, and the piazza hums. Prepare for vibrant chaos and alternative culture. Welcome to Camden Market, a sprawling set of markets that flow along the canal. It's a sensory overload, in the best way. Punk rockers, goths, tourists, and artisans all collide here. Storefronts become sculpture, bold and unforgettable. Map pin: Camden Town Station. Step out into the high street's electricity. Wear comfy shoes. It's vast, multi-level, and winding. Buy vintage clothing, a classic leather jacket, a retro band tee, handmade jewelry, and alternative art. Music lovers, dive into record shops for vinyl. Timing, come hungry. The food scene is legendary. Graze, halloumi fries, Venezuelan arepas, Dutch pancakes. Grab your food and sit by the canal to watch narrowboats glide. Camden is edgy, delicious, and utterly captivating. As day shifts to night, the market's energy morphs. Stay for the glow. Now to West London, Portobello Road in charming Notting Hill. A long, winding street with a vibe completely different from Camden or Oxford Street. It transforms through the week, but Saturdays, it truly comes alive. The world's largest antiques market, elegance, charm, and the thrill of the hunt. Map pins, Notting Hill Gate for the southern antique stretch, Ladbroke Grove for the middle, near fashion and food. What to buy? Antique silver spoons, old postcards, vintage books, retro jewelry, and even furniture. Tip: arrive early. Serious collectors come at dawn for the best finds. After treasure hunting, skip the queues and slip into a nearby bakery. Try the Hummingbird Bakery for a cupcake, or Fabrique for a warm cardamom bun, plus a coffee. Find a quiet spot, sip, and watch the world go by. It's the perfect sweet ending to an iconic London morning. Notting Hill's palette and Portobello's patina linger, souvenirs for the heart as much as the bag. South of the river awaits a food lover's paradise, Borough Market. Nestled by London Bridge, this is London's oldest and most renowned food market, 1,000 years of history. A sprawling heaven of gastronomic delights. Air thick with fresh bread, sizzling chorizo, and pungent artisanal cheeses. Meet passionate producers from the UK and Europe. Map pin, London Bridge Station. The market is a 2-minute walk beside Southwark Cathedral. Go midweek if you can, fully humming WedSat, but far less crowded before the weekend surge. Buy to eat, artisanal cheeses from Neal's Yard Dairy, cured meats from Brindisa, and a fresh sourdough loaf. Enjoy it back at your hotel or picnic in a nearby park. At lunch, do a full lap before you decide. Choices are overwhelming. My picks: Capicasine's grilled cheese, Brindisa's chorizo roll, or fresh oysters from Richard Howard's. Expect food that's fresh, flavorful, and unforgettable. Under these arches, London's culinary soul sings. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting travel guide videos. Safe travels!